Good morning, sir.
గట్టిగా
Good morning, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is K. Akhil Chaudhary of 9th class from St. Thomas IIT School. My guide teacher name is S. Sirajin, sir. He is a physics teacher. First of all, my project name is Simple Amplifier. First of all, we should know what is amplifier. The process of converting low signals to high signals is called amplification. The device which was used for amplification is called amplifier. Let me show. What is the apparatus present in this project? This is step-down transformer and this is rectifier. This is 6 volts tape record board, one microphone and one speaker. Through the wire 220 volts of AC current will come. But for the function of amplifier we need only 6 volts. That's why I used one step-down transformer here. It will convert high voltage to low voltage. It means 220 volts of AC current is converted into 6 volts of AC current. The principal present in step-down transformer is mutual inductance. It means two coils will be present in the step-down transformer. One will receive the electricity, another will raise the electricity, which amount of voltage did we want. Here we can see one rectifier. It will convert AC current into DC current. You may ask one doubt, why you are converting AC current into DC current? Because tape recorder can function with the help of DC current only. That's why you are changing 6 volts of AC current into 6 volts of DC current. And this rectifier and this process is called rectification, and the device is called rectifier. And this rectifier is connected to 6 volts DC tape record board, and through the tape record board we attach one microphone and one speaker. First of all, microphone is a device which will convert our sound signals into electrical signals.
Akhil, I have one question here. These amplifiers are well known to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Then why do you...
What is the main intention present in this, sir? The usage of old unused material which was present in tape recorder and radio, sir. It means, imagine that you have one tape recorder, one old...
What is your intention of this project?
The usage of old materials.
Why do you need to make such a amplifier without any effectiveness in it? Because if you use that kind of rotten material, then what is the quality you expect out of it?
It will work, sir.
Because we need to work with the quality.
Without, if a small function is also going on, means we are using
See, my simple question is that loudspeaker you are using as a microphone.
Yes, sir.
And how do you expect a proper response? Because that is designed for producing electrical signal to sound wave, right? And how do you use it for electrical signal, quality electrical signal, converting your sound wave to electrical signal? It is not meant for that.
We can use for small occasion.
No. Anyhow, you have brought this gadget to this science fair. So what's the purpose of it?
At different distances, it will function.
See, you can say this way. You can say this way. You understand by your own hard work about this. You want to make many other thousands and lakhs of children to make it understand how it works like. But if you understand this concept clear, do you understand this concept clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So, what is this amplifier does?
It will convert, sir.
See, my question is very simple. What an amplifier does? If you want a hint, I will give you. Bus driver drives the bus. Driver who drives? Amplifier which amplifies.
Yes. Which amplifies the low signals.
So you need to understand what do you mean by amplification.
The process of converting low signals to high signals is called amplification.
What do you mean by signal?
What is the signal which was given by our mouth is received by that mouth?
What do you mean by low signal?
We are using low voice now, sir. That's why it is by using.
So what is the gain of this amplifier? So that at what low volume to what high volume it can go up.
6 volts up to 6 volts. Up to 6 volts.
Your answer is not correct.
By using.
Because 6 volt is a voltage, not the power. Power is in watts. You need to understand a lot of basics like this. Then only you can say I know something. You understand?
Yes, sir.
The power of the amplifier is measured in watts, not in volts.
This is 3 watts.
3 watts. That means if you give at input single watt, it will give 3 watt.
Yes, sir. 3 watt.
You understand?
Yes.
So how much purpose it solve? Suppose if you have a 3 watt amplifier, what kind of purpose it solve? What kind of power the amplifier which they are using outside? You need to figure out and compare and learn the subject like this. You understand? That's not 1000 watts. You see the outside the amplifying speakers are connected only 500 watts. How can it be 1000 watts? You need to understand, my dear friend. Okay? So if you have many more questions before I leave this campus, you can reach me and I can ask me. I have n number of questions in the drawing. The drawing I am not touching it. Why? Because I am sure that you won't be having that much internal understanding. What is IB, IE and all that, right? R1, R2 and RE, RC and all. There are many other components. I am not expecting the functionality of the entire circuit at this point of time because you are a school level student. But definitely, yes, I do expect the basics like what is power gain of the amplifier, how do you measure the power of the amplifier and all. Lot of basic things I expect from you. You understand? What is the response of the mic? What is the response of this particular speaker and how the quality of amplifier can be made and all. These are the kind of basic questions one must have in the mind so that they can further develop quality things for the country. You understand? That is what country is now looking for. You understand what I am talking for? So which school you are from?
I am from St. Thomas IIT School, Anantapur, sir.
Oh, you have come from Anantapur? Very good. St. Thomas, yeah. Very good, very good. Okay. So what's your ambition?
IAS.
Wow. So that's nice. That's nice. Very good. Keep it up. Thank you.